Hi kids! Today we will learn how to draw vehicles. This is a car. A car is a vehicle. The car goes vroom vroom. Car, car, car. Is it a car? Yes, it's a car. Is it big? No, it's small. Car, car, car. Well done, kids. This is a car. Let's color it red. Let's color it red. Good job. This is a car. Car. This is a bus. This is a bus. A bus is a vehicle. A bus is a vehicle. The bus is big. The bus goes beep beep. Bus, bus, bus. Is it a bus? Yes, it's a bus. Is it big? Yes, it's big. This is a bus. Let's color it. Let's color it yellow. Good job, kids. Let's color it yellow. Big bus. This is a boat. Boat, boat. A boat is a vehicle. A vehicle. Yes, it's a boat. Is it big? No, it's small. It's small. This is a boat. Let's color it. Let's color it blue. Well done, kids. Great job. This is a boat. truck. A truck. A truck. A truck is a vehicle. Yes, you're right. The truck is strong. The truck goes vroom, vroom. Truck. 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 Is it a truck? Yes, it's a truck. Is it big? Yes, it's big. It's a truck. Let's color it green. This is a truck. Good job, kids. Well done. This is a plane. Plane. A plane is a vehicle. The plane goes up, up, up. It flies in the sky. Plane. 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 Is it a plane? Yes, it's a plane. Is it big? Yes, it's big. This is a plane. Good job. Let's color it. Let's color it orange. This is a plane. Big plane. Great job, kids. See you in the next stories.